Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to apply for jobs in Indeed. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Indeed job application in your mobile device. Once Indeed application has fully loaded, just follow the steps on my screen. In here, I will scroll down. And then, on the search bar, I will type for the job that I'm looking for. For this example, I want to look for data entry. Then, when you scroll down, you will see the options over here. There are many. Now choose one. And then, scroll down, look at the details. And then in here, tap on Apply Now. Now wait for it to load. Now, make sure you add a resume for your employer. This one. And then make sure you add the details, and it's important that you don't tell a lie. You are very honest with your resume. Just follow the details over here. Of course, you know the drill. And then tap on Submit Your Application. Once done tapping Submit Your Application has been submitted. The employer typically responds to applications within 10 days, and you will get an email confirmation at the email you have inputted in the details previously. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.